Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new contacts from Zoho CRM to the Twilio SMS service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho CRM to other systems. For example, through the Twilio service, you can send SMS to contacts from Zoho CRM. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Twilio as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage you need to connect your Twilio account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the SID and token. To get this data, go to your personal Twilio account. Then on the main page, copy the SID and token and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you see the Twilio fields that you need to fill in to send SMS messages. In the message field, you need to compose a message text that will be sent to all new contacts from Zoho CRM. You can assign variables from Zoho CRM to this field. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. In the recipient field, you need to specify a variable from Zoho CRM that contains the contact's phone number. In the sender field, you need to select the sender on whose behalf SMS notifications will be sent. This sender must be pre-registered in your Twilio account. After all the required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent through Twilio in the form of SMS notifications for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Twilio. After successful sending, go to your Twilio personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Twilio data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.